From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. For today, snow levels generally are going to be between 1,500 to 2,000 feet. Snow in the Cascades picking up around lunchtime. Maybe a snow shower in the upper Yakima Valley before 7 a.m., but a mostly dry start for the valleys, basin, and Blue Foothills and mountains. But the wet weather is going to start to pick up into the afternoon across the map. Then for tonight, snow levels going up to around 3,000 feet. Rain and snow coverage will peak during the mid to late evening. Maybe even a quick burst of snow in the Kittitas Valley and upper Yakima Valley during the mid-evening, but back to rain by the late evening, keeping it as rain tonight for Cabbage Hill, and will start to trend much drier across the map around midnight. And then for tomorrow, snow levels are mostly going to hover around 3,000 feet. We'll have a dry start for the Kittitas and upper Yakima Valley, but light showers elsewhere, including snow up in the Cascades, and wet weather will start to pick up in intensity by the late a.m. to early afternoon. Finally starting to see a transition of snow by the late afternoon for Cabbage Hill. And then for tomorrow night, snow levels dropping back down to around 1,500 feet. Snow continues throughout the night for the mountains, but we'll see a drying trend across the board into the evening and overnight hours. What does that mean? Well, here are the snowfall totals we're expecting over the next 48 hours. 6 to 12 inches of snow for a Cascade passes, less than an inch for the Kittitas and Yakima Valleys, not much doing for the basin or for the foothills, and anywhere between 2 to 8 inches of snow for our Blue Mountain passes, with those higher totals being on Oregon 204. Here's some of the water totals we're expecting for the next 48 hours. Pretty consistently between a tenth to a quarter for the valleys and basin, between a quarter to a half for the Cascades and Blue Foothills, between a half to 3/4 for the Blue Mountains. We are tracking another storm system into Monday and Tuesday. We'll have a little bit of a break in the action for Sunday, but that next storm system into Monday and Tuesday. Just wanted to touch on temperatures real quick. A little bit warmer this weekend, back to more seasonal stuff into next week. Okay, now on to the storm system for Monday and Tuesday. Snow levels low again, between 1,500 to 3,000 feet. Could get some more valley snow, not much more though, and then a couple more inches of snow for our Cascade and Blue Mountain passes. This storm system overall looking drier as opposed to the Friday, Saturday storm system. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. A nice break in the action for Sunday before cold rain on Monday and maybe freezing rain by Tuesday morning. Then in Yakima, a cold and partly cloudy day for Sunday, then potentially dealing with more wet and wintry weather Monday through Wednesday. In Ellensburg, the same cycle as Yakima, cold and some sunshine for Sunday, then snow and freezing rain possible Monday through Wednesday. For Hermiston, a bit of a reprieve on Sunday before more cold rain impacts us on Monday, another chance for freezing rain on Tuesday. Then in Walla Walla, maybe a shower or two lingers for Sunday, freezing rain possible Monday morning, then a cold rain for the rest of Monday and Tuesday.